Hello and welcome to the Leisurely Learning EquatIO series. In this series, we will go over in depth how to use the various parts of the EquatIO extension to best support your students. In this another bonus video, we will be reviewing how to use EquatIO with Jamboard. Let's get started. So with the rise of virtual learning, Jamboard became a much loved tool by a lot of our teachers. But one of the things that we found was that when you press on the EquatIO extension, you only get the condensed toolbar. And that's really has to do with the way Google has set up Jamboard. So TextHelp, the creator of EquatIO, has come up with a workaround. So to do this, what you need to do is you need to open a Google Doc or a Google Slide, any of those, and you need to turn on your EquatIO toolbar. And enter your math as you wanted. Now, if I wanted to put this in the Google Doc, I would come over here and I would go to Insert Math. But I don't want it in the Google Doc, I want it in the Jamboard. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come over here just to the right of that, and there's a new button that says Copy Math As. And what I can do is I can choose now how I want that math to go in. So I'm going to choose Image PNG, and what that's going to do is that's going to copy that document for me. Now I can go over to my Jamboard, and I can basically use my shortcut keys, Control V, and it will paste that image in there for me. The other option is if you are using, sorry, let me actually delete this for a second. If you are using the math space and you've created an image in the math space, you'll notice that when you go and try and use that from the Google Doc, it's blanked out. You can't do that copy. So what we're going to do is we're going to actually go into the math space. We're going to press Edit Math. We're going to let this open up. All right, so here I've got my math space that I want to use. Again, if I was inserting this into the doc, I would be using the insert button over here. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to come down here to my EquatIO button. I'm going to press that, and I'm going to press Download as PNG. So that's going to download it for me. Then what I can do is I can go into my Jamboard and I can go over to the Add Image button, and I can simply drag that image up into the box, and it inserts it directly on the page for us. So, and you can resize it and do all the things that you would typically do within a Jamboard. So this is how you use EquatIO with a Jamboard. If you have any questions, please use the link below to access the EquatIO video question form. Be sure to leave an email so that we can respond to your question. Thank you for watching this video.